I've got happy mail. That's what they call it, happy mail. I just arrived. It's this. That's gonna go up here where it's dark and dreary. Woohoo! There's the box of my happy mail. Happy mail came today early from Wayfair. And look, it's not gonna look like that. And it's gonna go up in this dark, dark area.
Dark area.
I'm taking a video here, Megan. Now you're part of it. Okay, so yeah, this dark area here. Gonna put this up. Can't wait. It's from Wayfair. It was on a super sale. Doesn't look like much like now. It looks like a crushed spider. But yeah, free delivery if you're over 75 bucks. It was on a fantastic sale. It was like 160 bucks instead of 260 bucks or something. I thought it was about 65% off. I don't have to put it together. I have a husband for that. He was like, oh no, more jobs for me. And then he just broke into it like it was the focus of his day, which is lovely. So it's going to have that nice sort of colonial farmhouse look, like it was forged by the Pilgrims. But this wasn't forged by the Pilgrims. No, it was, let's have a look. I think it was forged, you know, in a mass production sort of way. I just know it's made in China. I think I saw it somewhere. But that's okay. The Chinese light. Yeah. And Lord knows what, oh yeah, those are the little sticky uppy candle parts. So yeah, it just has that period look of an old New England early colonial home, except that it's graceful. It's not like just a little tight one. It's really graceful and airy. I can't wait to see it. Up, it's up. It's up. Look how pretty. Bright as could be, elegant and airy. Elegant and airy and very farmhousey. Now it's on its brightest, so I'm gonna do a little dimming action. Over here at the dimmer. No, that's not a dimmer. This is a dimmer. Oh, look at that elegance. Right down to almost nothing. Sexy dinner party. Cozy dinner party. Who's over visiting? Dinner party. Woo! I like it about like that. And these are actually really, they show up really golden in real life. Isn't she elegant and airy? Anybody like it? Give us a thumbs up. And I can even tell you where I got it. And insert picture. It's good from all angles. One last look in the daytime. Different lighting and whatnot. Am I obsessed with it? Sure. That's why I'm taking pictures from all angles. She is a thing of beauty. Forged in China. Just adds that correctness to everything. Okay, Chris, put your camera down. What the heck? It's just a light.